Hello everyone, I am Amit Mishra, going to explain you Merchant of Venice Act 3 Scene 2. In Act 3 Scene 1, we have seen that the wreckage of Antonio's ship was detected. Shylock was planning to take revenge from Antonio. He was ordering Table that Table should arrange a law officer. That thing is going in Act 3 Scene 1, that was in Venice. Now Act 3 Scene 2, that open in Belmont. Belmont is the same place where Portia resides, where Bassanio has gone, where there are caskets. 3 caskets are there, and a person who will choose the right casket will marry Portia. And which is the right casket? The right casket is that in which there is the portrait of Portia. In right casket there is portrait of Portia. Earlier we have seen there were 2 casket scenes. In first casket scene there was Prince of Morocco, who has chosen gold casket and he was failed. In another scene, Act 2 Scene 9, I think, there was Prince of Aragon, who has chosen silver casket and he was failed. These 2 things shows that appearance is not always better. There was a theme of appearance and reality. That Act 3 Scene 1, there is a love plot. In beginning we will see that there is a love plot. But that love plot is spoiled by the news. What news? The news that Antonio's ships are wrecked. Bassanio and Portia receive a letter. They received letter in which it was mentioned, and Antonio was saying to Bassanio that if you are willing, you can come. You should come if your love allows you. And you should come to me. That will be very great for me. But overall, if we will see that the scene starts with a love plot. Earlier, when other suitors were there, when Morocco and Aragon, they all were there, she was wishing that they should not choose the right casket because she was not in love with them. Now Portia herself is in love with Bassanio. That's why there is a change. We can observe a change in her behavior. We can observe something different speeches from her. We will see that Portia is saying to Bassanio is in the room. This is again a casket scene. Bassanio is in the room and she is saying to Bassanio, except Bassanio there are Portia, Gratiano, Nerissa and other followers. And there is a singer also. Portia says to Bassanio, I pray you, tarry. Tarry means wait. You should mark these words. Tarry means wait. I pray you, tarry. Pause a day or 2. What she is requesting? She is requesting that that Bassanio should take a pause of 1 or 2 days. What she is saying? Pause a day or 2 before you hazard. Before you hazard means before you are going to take risk, before you are going to make the choice of the casket. इसके पहले कि आप कैस्केट की चॉइस करें, आप थोड़ा सा वेट करें. ये शो करता है कि Portia don't want that Bassanio should go to choose the casket. She is having a fear. What fear? कि if Bassanio will choose wrong casket, then what will happen? She is clearly saying, for in choosing wrong, I lose your company. If you will choose wrong casket, I will lose your company. You will have to depart from here. आपको यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा. Therefore, forbear a while. Forbear a while means wait for a while. आप थोड़ा सा wait करें. There is something tells me, this is the text, There is something tells me, but it is not love. I would not lose you, and you know yourself. Hate counsel not in such a quality. What she is saying? She is saying wait for a while. And what else she is saying? She is saying something tells me. ऐसा कुछ gut feeling है, ऐसे कुछ मेरे मन में pre thoughts है. क्या pre thoughts हैं? कि आप अभी थोड़ी देर बाद चूज करो. देयर इज समथिंग टेल्स मी. लेकिन साथ में उसने ये भी मेंशन किया, बट इट इज नॉट लव. लेकिन ये लव नहीं है. आई वुड नॉट लूज यू. आई वुड नॉट लूज यू. कह रही कि ये लव की वजह से तो मैं नहीं कह रही हूं, बस मेरे मन में कुछ प्री थॉट्स आ रहे हैं. व्हाट आर दीज प्री थॉट्स? दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लूज यू. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू लूज यू. I would not lose you, and you know yourself. Hate counsel not in such a quality. और आपको पता है hate, मैं आपसे love में नहीं कह रही हूं कि I am not going to lose you, but आपको ये भी पता है कि अगर मैं आपसे hate करती then इस तरह के words मैं आपसे बोलती नहीं. counsel means advise करना. hate की वजह से मैं ऐसे words नहीं बोल सकती थी. but lest you should not understand me well, and yet a maiden hath no tongue but thought. उसने ये भी दो कॉन्ट्ररी चीजें बोली हैं कि दैट वट एवर शी इज स्पीकिंग टू बेसेनियो, दैट इज नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ लव. वट एवर आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू, वट एवर आई एम टेलिंग टू यू, वट एवर पोर्शिया इज टेलिंग टू बेसेनियो, दैट इज नॉट इन हेट ऑल्सो. देन वट इज देयर? शी इज ट्राइंग टू कीप हर सेल्फ सेफ. शी इज ट्राइंग टू कीप हर सेल्फ इन द बाउंड ऑफ हर फादर्स विल. शी डोंट वॉन्ट टू शो दैट शी इज इन लव विद बेसेनियो. शी इज clearly telling that if you are not getting it, अगर आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि why I am making you stop, then there is some problem. What problem? In case उसने मेंशन किया है, क्योंकि उसने आगे एक लाइन मेंशन किया है, but lest you should not understand me well, and yet a maiden hath no tongue but thought. उसने ये यहाँ पर उनकी जो पैथेटिक कंडीशन हुआ करती थी क्रिश्चियन एरा में, उस समय जो एक पैथेटिक कंडीशन हुआ करती थी वुमेन की, उसको मेंशन किया है कि एक जो मैडन होती है, जो गर्ल होती है, शी इज हैविंग थॉट्स ओनली. उसके पास थॉट्स होते हैं. शी कैन नॉट एक्सप्रेस हर थॉट्स. अपने थॉट्स को क्लियरली एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती. गर्ल आर नॉट सपोज टू एक्सप्रेस देयर थॉट्स. गर्ल्स के सामने, गर्ल्स के लिए ऐसी कंडीशन कुछ हुआ करती थी कि वो अपने आप को पूरी तरीके से एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकती. I would detain you here some month or two. उसने आगे बोला है. She says further कि क्या उसने बोला है कि I would detain you here some month or two. मैं आपको यहाँ पर या 1 या 2 months के लिए भी I can make you stop here. Before you venture is the opening of casket. इसके पहले you are going to choose the open the casket. I can make you stop here for a month or 2. I could teach you how to choose right. उसने आगे क्लियर किया है कि I can tell you which is the wrong casket. I can tell you which is the right casket. I know which is the wrong casket and which is the right one. I can tell you, but I am then foresworn. लेकिन क्या होगा? It means that I am going to break the oath. Foresworn means I am going against the will of my father. I am going against the oath which I have taken. So will never be, and I am not going to tell you this thing. मैं अपनी oath कभी नहीं break करूंगी. It means that I am not going to tell you that which casket is right or wrong. उसने आगे क्या possibility दी है? You, so may you miss me. Possibility है कि you can choose the wrong casket. अगर आपने wrong casket choose किया, then you are going to miss me. But if you do, you will make me a vicious sin. लेकिन अगर आप ऐसा expect कर रहे हो कि I should tell you the right casket, then it means you are thinking that I should make a sin. I should be a sinner. That I had been foresworn. आप ये चाहते हो कि अपनी ओथ को ब्रेक करूं. Beshrew your eyes. Beshrew your eyes. कि your eyes. Your eyes. That eyes are bewitching her. They have overlooked me and divided me. कह रही है कि your eyes are so magical that are looking at me and dividing me. Divide means not physically, but dividing her thoughts. कैसे? One half of me is yours. She is using her equivocation. वो अपने equivocations का यूज कर, उसको उससे पता चलता है कि how much vocab she is having. How can she turn the things. How can she turn the words? She is very intelligent lady. यहाँ पे एक्सप्रेस कर रही है वो, वन हाफ ऑफ मी इज योर्स एंड अदर हाफ योर्स. क्या बोला है कि वन हाफ ऑफ मी इज योर्स, आई एम हाफ बिलोंग टू यू, बिकॉज शी इज इन लव विद बेसेनियो. द अदर हाफ योर्स, the other half, that is also yours, because it is mine, then it is yours. That's why wife is called a better half. हालांकि अभी तक उसकी मैरिज नहीं हुई है, she is not married, still she is considering it like this. Yours, mine own. और आपका जो हाफ पार्ट है वो क्या है? उसने बोला the other half yours, mine own. जो आपका हाफ पार्ट है that is mine. I would say, but if mine then yours. लेकिन जो मेरा है that is yours. And so all yours. So logically, according to simple math calculation, I totally belongs to you. Of these naughty times, put bars between the owners and their rights. Of these naughty times, put bars between the owner and their rights. लेकिन ये time is the most villainous creature here. Time जो है वो सारा रोल प्ले कर रहा है कि जो time है that is putting bar between the owner and their rights. एंड सो दो योर्स नॉट योर. और टाइम क्योंकि अगेंस्ट है, उसकी वजह से जो आपकी चीज है वो भी आपकी नहीं हो पा रही है. प्रूव इट. सो ये तो प्रूव हो गया कि टाइम इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ विलन. लेट फॉर्च्यून गो टू हेल फॉर इट. उसके लिए किसको ब्लेम करना चाहिए? वी शुड ब्लेम फॉर्च्यून फॉर इट, नॉट आई शुड नॉट बी ब्लेम्ड. फॉर्च्यून शुड बी ब्लेम्ड फॉर इट. I speak too long. उसने बोला कि मैंने इतनी लंबी सी स्पीच दी है, but it is to peace the time. मैंने क्यों बोली इतनी लंबी स्पीच? To peace the time, to take some time from you, so that I can have some more time with you, to ache it and to draw it out in length. I just want that the time, I just wanted to extend the time for us. To act it and to draw it out in length, जिससे कि और ज्यादा थोड़ा सा टाइम हो, थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन हो, to stay you from election. Clearly she is saying that she had spoke a lot. Why she has spoke a lot? Because she wanted to have some more time with Bassanio. वो Bassanio के साथ में कुछ और टाइम लेना चाहती थी वो. Bassanio क्या कहते हैं? Let me choose, for as I am live upon the rack. Let me choose the casket. Why he is saying for as I am live upon the rack, क्योंकि जैसे ऐसे मैं हूं, I am feeling that I am being tortured. I am feeling that I am being tortured by all this talking. Rack used to be an instrument. Rack एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता था. अर्लियर टाइम में एक बड़ा सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट था जिसपे किसी प्रिजनर को, किसी जो क्रिमिनल्स होते थे उनको लेटाया जाता था, उनके बॉडी को टाई किया जाता था, उनके लेग्स और हैंड्स को टाई किया जाता था. टाई करने के बाद उनकी बॉडी को स्ट्रेच किया जाता था. वो जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता था उसको रैक बोलते थे. रैक मीन्स टॉर्चर, द इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज्ड टू टॉर्चर. आई फील टॉर्चर्ड, कह रहा है कि मैं बहुत टॉर्चर्ड फील कर रहा हूं. पोर्शिया सेज अपॉन द रैक बेसेनियो. टॉर्चर्ड? Feeling tortured? Then confess what treason there is mingled with your love. Then you should tell me what crime you have done. उसने clearly उसी से ऐड किया उसको. You should tell me the treason. You should tell me the crime. What treason? The treason that is mixed in your love. जो treason आपके love में mixed है, you should tell me that treason. What treason there is in your love. You should tell me that treason. Okay, what Bassanio is going to tell, this thing we will see in our further class. Till that time, have a nice day.